Hello, I'm Andrew, and in this video we are going to be fixing the leaking of a Kohler brand toilet. This repair is specific to a Kohler toilet as they have a design flaw in one of their components. The only piece of equipment that you will need is a pin. You don't need anything else. You don't need gloves. You're not going to get your hands really dirty. And so let's go ahead and get started. So if you have this model, you will be able to fix it very easily. All you'll need to fix this is a pin. So as you can hear, it keeps cycling through. First you twist this off. Okay. And this rubber seal. So here's where the problem is. Let's go ahead and focus in. Alright, so there you can see right there, that little blister. This rubber gets blisters in it. So you get a pin, pop out, it will leak out the water. And just feel if there's any more blisters. That's all it is. So here's another one for me. Push out the water. So these gaskets get blisters. Once that's done, you put it back in and it will be fixed. So we'll put the seal back around here. Just like that. And then there's this little key-shaped thing right here. That aligns with what's in the bottom. Twist it to lock it on, and you're good. That is how you fix the toilet that keeps flushing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like, and you can leave a comment in the section below. If you want to leave a tip, you can. I accept Venmo. It really helps out this channel so I can make more videos like this, and any amount is greatly appreciated. So thanks, have a great day, and enjoy a leak-free Kohler toilet.